Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and simple guide on how to snooze a group's posts for 30 days on Facebook using your PC. If you're looking to take a break from certain content without unfollowing or leaving a group, this feature is perfect for you. Let's get started. First, open Facebook on your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your homepage, also known as your news feed. This is where all the posts from your friends, groups, and pages appear. Next, scroll through your newsfeed to find a post from the group whose updates you'd like to snooze. It could be any post. Just make sure it's from the group in question. Once you've located the post, look at the top right corner of it. You'll see 3 small dots arranged vertically. Click on these 3 dots to open a drop-down menu. From the menu that appears, select the option that says Snooze Group Name for 30 days. This action will temporarily hide all posts from that group in your newsfeed for the next 30 days. Don't worry. The group won't be notified that you've snoozed their posts. And that's it. You've successfully snoozed the group's posts. If at any point you change your mind, you can undo this action by revisiting the drop-down menu on a post from the same group and selecting Undo Snooze. This feature is a great way to declutter your newsfeed while staying connected to groups you value. After 30 days, their posts will automatically reappear, but you can always snooze them again if needed. Thank you for watching. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your social media experience.